Solve 16x cube minus 49x minus 30 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 16x cube in place of minus 49x. Now I write minus 9x minus 40x minus 30 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 16x square minus from this x out you get 9. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 10. So here we get 4x and here we get plus 3 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is 16x square minus 9 equal to, in place of 16, 4 square x square minus in place of 9, 3 square. Now 4 square x square is nothing but 4x whole square minus 3 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 4x, in place of b 3. So we get 4x minus 3 times 4x plus 3. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 4x minus 3, 4x plus 3. This no change equal to 0. Next, from this equation, what can be taken out common is 4x plus 3. So 4x plus 3 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 4x minus 3. And here we are left with minus 10 equal to 0. So 4x plus 3, now you open up the brackets, you get 4x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 4x square minus 3x minus 10. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 3x. In place of minus 3x, now I write minus 8x plus 5x minus 10. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 4x. From this 4x out you get x, minus from this 4x out you get 2. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside we get plus 5. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x minus 2 common. So here we have 4x and here plus 5. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 4x plus 3, x minus 2, 4x plus 5 equal to 0. More. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 4x plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove plus 3, so subtract 3. You get 4x equal to minus 3. Now I should remove 4, so divide by 4. You get x equal to minus 3 by 4. Now here I should remove minus 2, so add 2. You get x equal to 2. Now here I should remove plus 5, so subtract 5. You get 4x equal to minus 5. Now I should remove 4, so divide by 4. You get x equal to minus 5 by 4. So the x values that we got are minus 3 by 4, 2 and minus 5 by 4. This is our answer.